Hey guys, what's up? It's Rocco. So today we're going to be fishing a private pond. If you guys are fishing private ponds, make sure you guys ask the landowners if you guys can fish them. I did. So today we're going to be catching some bluegills. Well, we're going to be fishing for bluegills, bass, and crappies. And if we get lucky, we might get a catfish. But hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned.
I just switched up to a white Roadrunner. And let's see if I can get something on that. Oh, that was a hit. I got a hit while I was jigging it. Oh, that was another fish. Let me pop it back out there. Oh, yep. There we go. There we go. There's a nice bass. Let's get him up. There he is. There we go. Nice bass on the Roadrunner. The hook just popped right out. And there's a good bass. He's a good. He's probably good. Probably 11 incher. Maybe 10, 11 inches, but let's throw him back. There he goes. Oh. Alright, so I just cast it out by this waterfall right here. So now I'm gonna, plus the minnows like to hang out right there, so maybe the fish will hit my bait right there too. But I'm gonna try walking around this whole pond and see what I can get. But yeah. I'll let it sink to the bottom and then I'll reel it like on the bottom. I'll just jig it a little bit. But yeah, now I'll try casting along the shore a little bit if I can. Oh, there we go. There's a good fish. Oh, got time to drag. Yep, there. It's a bass too. I saw him surface. Never know, it could be a crappie too. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, it's a good size bass. That's a nice bass. Oh, you jumped clean out of the water. Yeah, that's a good fish. Oh my goodness. Yep. Come here. Come here, stinker. Yeah. Yeah, that's a good fish. Yes, sir. There we go. Hit that spinnerbait. Yeah, that's a good 9-incher, 9.5 incher. But yeah, gorgeous bass too. He's cold too because that water's cold, but it's not eating any. He doesn't have any minnows down his throat, so let's just throw him back. There he goes. Oh, is he just sitting there? No, he swam off. Oh, back cast. We'll still fish it though. I'm just letting this, as soon as I stop the popper, I'll count to 10. And then reel it again to let it stop, count to 10. And just keep doing that when I'm fishing with the popper. Oh, there's a fish that rippled right there. Or it might have been, yeah, it was probably just a gnat. Oh, I just spooked a fish. There we go. Ha ha, little bluegill. Oh, it's a big bluegill. Oh yeah, it's a good bluegill. Oh, bobber's at the end. Ooh, looks like a hybrid bluegill, or I don't know what kind of bluegill this is, but I mean, it's a big, chunky bluegill. It's either, you stinker. Ow, you got me with your spikes, you stink. So, either, they're probably just fattening up, because I thought there was eggs, but they're probably just fattening up, but that's a good bluegill. Send him back. There he goes. Ha. Alright, here we go. Alright, main air cast. Now we're going to throw it where they were earlier. Ah! He hit that thing so fast. There we go. Oh, it's a bass. Oh, it's a bass. He jumped clean out of the water. That's a good bass. Oh, there's another one following it. There's another one following it. I see him right under. Oh my God, that's big. There's one right behind it. Dad, you should have. All right, there we go. Nice bass on the gnat. That hook was so small, I thought I wasn't going to be able to bring him in, but got him good enough. So here he goes. There he goes. All right, so I switched back over to that white Roadrunner. I know it looks brown because the hooks were a little bit rusted, and it got the hair on the jig wet. But let's see if we can get something on the bill spin. There we go. There's a fish. It's a good bluegill. Oh, splash right in the face. Come on, that white Roadrunner. Pull some drag out. Yeah, that's a beautiful, beautiful fish. These fish are so beautiful. Their colors are cool on them. They look like they're pumpkin seeds, honestly, kind of, or shell crackers, but they look pretty cool. Ow! His teeth got me. But, yep. Alright. Let's throw him back. There might let himself go. But, yep, that was a nice fish. Alright, take another cast. There we go. So let's sink to the bottom. And we'll jig it off the bottom and then we'll reel it. Oh, that was a bite. So I'm gonna give it 2 more casts, and I'm gonna head home. But hopefully we could catch one fish on these 2 casts. Real slowly. All right, last cast. But when a fisherman tells you last cast, it's never really your last cast. But this is definitely gonna be my last cast, though. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. This is gonna be the end of it. Today we were using like top water, beetle spins or road runners, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. See ya.